lot of folks will say that you have to let lime sit for a year before it changes the pH, but that depends on what kind of lime you're using. This lime is like smoke. The truck gets loaded with a pneumatic loader, so it flows real well into the truck, and then when it comes out it's just like super fine stuff, so the chemistry of it will react extremely fast. This just blows in the air like smoke. He's got 16 tons on there. We have a 4.8 pH, so we're going to need something like 4 tons to the acre. So there should be enough to do this patch. We'll get it ground in and get a cover crop on here for the summer. Stay tuned. I'll let you know how it turns out.